Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Showers clear through the evening and clear spells widely overnight will lead to a chilly feel for the start of Wednesday, but a bright start for Wednesday. A far cry from the weather currently impacting parts of the Atlantic and expected to head towards the Azores. This is Hurricane Lorenzo, bringing impacts to the Azores, especially the island of Flores through Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Hurricane force winds, heavy rainfall and very large seas associated with that. Why do I mention Lorenzo? Because it is headed towards the UK. However, by the time it gets to the UK on Thursday night and Friday, it will have transformed completely into just a typical autumn low, and it will be decaying rapidly as it crosses the country. Why is it important that it's an ex-hurricane? Well, that's because it could bring some very large swell by the end of the week to the UK, as well as some heavy rainfall. And we don't need more rainfall. In fact, yellow warnings currently in force for Tuesday evening across southern parts of Britain because of the potential for some heavy, slow-moving showers. They do ease away. Those showers clearing the far southeast, and by midnight further showers pushing into the north and the east of the country. By this stage we've got a northerly airflow and cool air in place. Clear skies widely mean that it's going to be a chilly night. These are the kinds of temperatures in towns and cities. In the countryside, mid to low single figures, perhaps even a touch of air frost for sheltered glens of Scotland, for example. Certainly a chill in the air in many places as we start off Wednesday. Plenty of sunshine, though, to kick off things, especially through this central swathe of the country, patchy cloud further west. A few more showers tumbling into the far north of Scotland and down these North Sea coasts where it will remain breezy, and that breeze coming from the north, meaning it will be quite a fresh wind. And temperatures in the mid-teens, typical maximum temperatures for the time of year. A bright day, though, for many, and it's the pick of the bunch, I think, for this week. Although Wednesday night we keep the clear spells, and it will be another chilly night in places, especially in the north and the east. Again, perhaps a touch of ground frost or even an air frost in one or two sheltered spots. To the west, however, by now we'll start to see the cloud build and the wind pick up. Not quite so chilly as we begin the day in western parts of Britain. And in fact, it's here where we'll have cloudier skies, that cloud building through the day. Bright generally rather than sunny. You can see a lot of high cloud there on the map. And the thickening cloud there into the far west of the country by the end of Thursday afternoon. The wind picking up as well. And this is the ex-hurricane Lorenzo, or at least the remnants of it, essentially just a wet and windy spell. Initially on Thursday night into Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and then it looks most likely to push its way across southern parts of Britain for Friday. Like I mentioned, risk of some strong winds, gales in places, some heavy rainfall as well, and some big seas, depending on the exact timing of it and whether it arrives with high tides. So plenty going on over the next few days, quiet spell of weather, and then a wet and windy spell to end the weekend. We will, of course, keep you updated right here at the Met Office, and you can keep up to date with all of those forecasts and weather warnings as they happen by following us on social media. Bye-bye.